In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your FedEx account to Shippo. By the end, you'll be able to use your own FedEx account and your negotiated rates directly inside Shippo, instead of relying only on Shippo managed rates. First, sign into your Shippo dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Settings. Inside Settings, choose Carriers, and then go to your accounts. This is where all carrier connections live and where you'll add your FedEx details. At the top of that page, click the button labeled Connect Carrier Account. A list of supported carriers will appear. Select FedEx. Shippo will open a form that links your FedEx profile to your Shippo workspace. Fill out the required information carefully. You'll need your FedEx account number, your contact information, and the ship from or account address exactly as it appears on your FedEx account. Matching this address is crucial. Even small differences, like missing suite numbers, abbreviations, or spacing, can cause the validation to fail. If your FedEx account uses a Smart Post Hub ID, sometimes called FedEx Ground Economy Hub information, include that where it's requested. If you don't use that service, you can leave it blank. Before you submit, double-check that the account number is the primary number on your FedEx profile, and that the address includes the same company name, street formatting, and postal code you see on your FedEx billing statements or online profile. It's also a good idea to ensure the account is active and in good standing, since inactive or restricted accounts won't connect. When everything looks correct, click Submit or Connect. Shippo will validate what you entered with FedEx. This usually takes only a moment. If validation succeeds, you'll see FedEx listed under your accounts inside Shippo. That confirms the connection is live. From here, you can start using your FedEx account when you buy labels. In the label creation flow, choose FedEx as your carrier, and you should see rates based on your own account. If you've negotiated discounts with FedEx, they'll appear automatically. You can switch between carriers at any time, but your FedEx selections will now bill through your FedEx account. If you run into an error, start by checking for an address mismatch or a mistyped account number. Make sure any required hub information is present if you use ground economy services. And if you still need help, reach out to Shippo support or your FedEx representative to confirm account details. That's it. You've connected your FedEx account to Shippo, and you're ready to ship with your own rates.